Yes. Be ready for the without full stop dictation. Start. Sir, this bill to improve the service conditions of the judges cannot provoke any opposition from any quarter, but it is a pity that the government has to come with this measure as a consequence of a direction by the Supreme Court. I do not know how it passed the scrutiny of an efficient person that an artificial date cannot be fixed for granting the benefits of revised pension. It is obvious that a person who retired on 31/10/1986 cannot be paid rupees 4500 and a person who retired on 1/11/1986 can be paid a pension of rupees 4500. On the fact of it, discrimination is there now. So rightly the Supreme Court directed and very rightly the law minister came forward with this measure. The other things are they are given a sumptuary allowance. It is not so large. It is only rupees 250 or rupees 300 for giving a cup of coffee or tea to those who come to their house. They get rent-free accommodation. They have also increased the conveyance allowance, but unfortunately under the Income Tax Act these are treated as prerequisites and are treated as part of remuneration. The result is the state government gives with one hand and the central government takes away with another hand. So they realized that it is not the same government's hands, it is a different government's hands. So they are removing this anomaly now. But here we have to pause for a minute. Such a thing has to be done for others also. When you are giving some allowance, the allowance should not be included in the remuneration and tax should not operate on it as being part of original salary. If you are giving some allowance to meet a specific purpose like transport, and if I am using that money for such purpose, then it should not be made a burden on my original remuneration by way of increased income tax. You are eating into the original remuneration, so this facility should be extended to other fixed salary people also, so that they will leave a sign of relief. Then about gratuity, the rupees 50,000 ceiling is also not good. So far as the provisions of the bill are concerned, I have these few comments to make, taking this opportunity to express my views before you. Full stop. Over.